A new day, even more new fascinating sightings of strange things flying through the air, even more crazy footage of weird objects that we're going to try to explain, because today I'm telling you friends, we have some fascinating footage that I personally didn't believe when I saw it, and I think you will be blown away the same as I was. Hi and welcome to Chasm. I'm Sebastian. Today with glasses makes me look smarter. So let's start. We have some good stuff today. Okay, first let's start with some stuff that we shall debunk, okay? On this channel, we are critical. I don't want this to be a regular UAP channel where every light in the sky is like, wow, a light in the sky, this is insane, this is crazy. No, we want to be a bit more critical here. So let's start with some things that we can debunk before we get to the really good stuff. Here are some lights, some orbs recently captured in New Jersey. Where else, of course? Lights just floating in the sky, floating in the air. What could that be? What could that be? That is mysterious. And they're just floating there. Or are they? Because the video is just, as we saw, 36 seconds long. Friends, you will be quite disappointed when I tell you that these are probably airplanes seen from a certain perspective, where they appear as if they would be standing, but in reality they are just like approaching to land on the airport. Okay? They are just approaching to land at the airport, and many times you will see actually airplanes in a row, because many of them are aligned. You know, they are aligned when they land with some distance towards each other, but many times you will see such landing formations of airplanes one after the other, waiting to be allowed to land on the airport. So friends, I'm really sorry to be the bringer of bad news here, but these are just airplanes. But this here is more interesting. A retired NYPD detective saw a drone drop strange glowing object over Staten Island. What? What? A strange glowing object was dropped over Staten Island? And we are being told that these are regular drones. I don't know about you, but I have heard stories about things being dropped by certain objects, okay? Certain objects dropping stuff, I've heard that before, but not drones. So this is interesting. I thought this story was pretty insane and certainly not in line with the regular, oh, it's just all drones, guys, nothing to see here, nothing to see, you know, pulling on a classic Frank Drebin on us. You know, the US government pulling a classic Frank Drebin from Naked Gun. Nothing to see here, guys, nothing to see, move along. But now the drones are all over the place. We saw some footage, I showed some fascinating footage from Brazil. We saw many different drone sightings across the globe. We had like 2 months ago the drone incursions at Lakenheath Air Force Base in the UK. Now we have this here, drone sightings or whatever it is in Manipur, India, okay, on the 16th of December. They seem to be pretty spooked. I wish the video was longer though, because I mean we just see stationary lights. They do not appear to do anything out of the ordinary. So I cannot say that we have something extraordinary on our hands, because we must always say, hey, we always want to see something unusual, right? If we just take stationary lights and we are like, wow, we are blown away by that, well then we will often have some false positives. So I'm not sure what those objects are, but it could be drones of sorts that are just hovering stationary. But then again, we have some blinking light here, which appears to be an airplane or a drone, and those are just completely just like motionless and appear almost spherical, almost. But I do not want to make a final judgment here because there's not enough juice here in this recording. But now, friends, we are finally getting to the stuff that I wanted to show you today. So this was captured over New York City on the 13th of December, okay? Over New York City on the 13th of December. At night, you can see the moon shining, you can see a few stars, okay? And let's just have a look what else might be flying through the air on this beautiful night in New York City. Let's just have a look. What? What? Wow, this is okay. Okay. Okay, this is strange. Is it a cloud? But can a cloud keep such a shape for so long? But wait, we have an enhanced version. Someone here enhanced the contrast, okay? Took this one here, took the footage, enhanced the contrast so that we can see the object better. Let's have a look let's have a look what this thing does, how it looks. What? Look at this perfect boomerang shape. Look at it. It looks somehow like a cloud, but it keeps the perfect shape, okay? It keeps the perfect shape. It is translucent, okay? It is translucent. It's almost like it's as if you have some sort of cloud that has decided to become a boomerang and just like float through the air perfectly without dissolving. And now you will say, okay, we have this one footage here. This one footage doesn't prove anything yet. But wait, this thing has been seen from other people as well. We have multiple angles, different location, different times, different everything. Now this here is actually older footage from 3 years ago, which was recently uploaded because the person saw, oh wow, all these boomerang shapes. I recorded this already 3 years ago. Let's see what happens. It looks like a cloud. Okay, now it's really quite dark. Yeah, but what the hell? This, I mean, this is not a drone swarm. This is not a bird swarm. This is not a cloud. This is not a cloud vortex. What the hell is it? Like, are you kidding me? Like, are you kidding me? This is like, wow. Okay, and we have a third one, as if all that wasn't enough. Sighted on the 13th of December in Garwood, New Jersey. Oh, New Jersey? Really? I didn't know that strange things were going on in New Jersey. What a surprise! Look at this.
Get the f out of here, bro. That's just like cloak device. You could like see the stars behind it. Get the f out of here, bro. That's just like cloak device. You could like see the stars behind it.
Wow. Wow. So we have multiple perspectives of this thing. Multiple perspectives. I mean, look at this. The enhanced version especially. This thing here. This enhanced version, in my opinion, disproves that it's birds, disproves that it's just a cloud. So what could it be? Yes, okay, let's be real here. There is a chance we must always think in probabilities, right? There is a chance that this thing here is a perfect formation of birds who, I don't know, look somewhat translucent, whatever type of bird this is. They found themselves in perfect formation. They fly perfectly uniformly. And they, for whatever reason, they appear translucent. I'm not excluding this possibility. I'm also not excluding the possibility that it is really just clouds that kind of like are caught in a vortex, and this kind of vortex, like, I don't know, it's like a cloud vortex, V-shaped, and for whatever reason it maintains a perfect stable shape and form and just keeps pushing on. But I have never seen a cloud that maintains such perfect uniformity and shape for such a time. And then the speed, and then the speed of this thing. Like, I'm sorry, but I mean, look at this. The speed. I mean, this is like not your average cloud, I would say. Yeah. And also there's like, it's a clear night. It's a clear night. There are stars in the sky. Look at this. It looks translucent. This is bizarre stuff. Is it? I don't even want to say it. But is it an alien mothership? Is it the mothership class? Have we finally witnessed the mothership class of vehicle where the drones are being launched from? Now you might say this is crazy. Are you insane? Maybe it's an, let's say, far out idea. Let's say it's a non-standard solution to the problem. Let's say it seems more far out than the bird solution or the cloud solution. But is it impossible though? Is it impossible? I would say no. I would say it's not impossible. It's a non-zero chance, and as such, I think it is worthy of being considered as a legitimate solution. Especially taking into account all the other weird stuff that has been happening lately in New Jersey. Taking this into account, can we really exclude such a more, let's say, outlandish seeming possibility? Can we really exclude it with 100% certainty? I don't think so. I don't think so. I'm just saying this is weird footage. I've never seen such an object. And as I said, a cloud maintaining such stability on a cloudless night. And then birds, we can look at the original footage again. Friends, like, let's look at this original here again. Like, this does not look like birds. Look at this, it's translucent, it's diffuse, it has a diffuse shape. It's not like, it doesn't have a let's say, solid surface. It doesn't look like a bird swarm because you would see multiple points, right? Point-like sources. This seems to be a translucent object that behaves kind of like a cloud. But I will say this, I'm not excluding the bird solution with 100% probability. Okay, we're always thinking in probabilities, you know, taking into account the probabilistic nature of the universe. Could it be birds? Maybe. It is a weird type of bird, a weird type of bird swarm if this is the case. But I would say, could it be an extraterrestrial mothership? Kind of cloaked? Huh? A cloaked mothership class of vehicle? That kind of like, because it moves and because it is so massive, it creates kind of like a condensation front. You know? Kind of like the air is being pushed in the front and condensed, and then the moisture in the air condenses to droplets, creating some sort of fog. Could this be the case? I'm not sure, but this is freaking insane stuff, okay? This is one of the better videos that I've seen in the last weeks, and there was a lot of fascinating stuff. But this here is one of the more incredible ones. This is wow, okay? Wow. Anyways, friends, I wish you all a wonderful Christmas, a Merry Christmas, a wonderful time with friends and family. Hopefully, not too many drones over your house. If you see some, please do not record with a potato, okay? Take a good phone. You know, take a good phone, not a potato. We need some good footage. Just kidding. I would especially like to thank our Patreons. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. You people are wonderful and amazing. Again, have a wonderful Christmas time and see you in the next video. Bye.